shall look at CSS transitions. I'll explain this on a sample of W3C try it page before we move into the practical instructions. So allow me to just explain what's on your screen right now. So you have a div tag having these properties. Initially it has got a width and height of 100 pixels, and then followed by a background color of red. And when you hover over this div, you shall see that the width and height extends to 300. Now let us have a look. This is the original state, and when you mouse over, you have a sudden change. Okay, there is no transition, no animation, and what we'd like to do is to have it animate. So let's try transition. This will be width. Property of width, I want it to transition across 2 seconds. Run. And you can see that, yeah, whenever there's a change in this width, so for the example that we have here, it is 100 pixel going to 300 once the mouse is over. When the mouse is out, it will go back to 100 from 300. So the value is going back and forth. So width by default it's 100 pixel. So it will go to 300 pixel when I mouse over. Let's just say that okay, and then mouse out, it comes back to 100 pixel, right? So this event here, by default, it has no animation. Okay, without this, it hasn't got any animation. So you'll see just a sudden change from small box to a big box, then coming back to the small box, right? No transition in between. And when you put in a transition, let's assume that I'm going to transition just one property for now. I want to do animation on that animating transition on this width only. You can see that the height is still a sudden change, but the width is being animated. Now if I were to put in height 2 seconds, oh, I need a comma over here to separate this property and this other one, so that, yeah, so you only put in the property that you want to animate. Let's say, for example, this one, all right, the dimensions. Now if I were to put in another background color of blue, and I want to animate it across 2 seconds as well, or okay, background color, I'm going to set it, yeah, actually by right it should be background color, background color. Okay, let's run it, and you can see that the animation happens, right? So I'm animating 3 properties, the width and height, along with this background color.